if you want to remove your Google Assistant from the power button, like in my case, you will have to open the settings on your Android device. And now what you have to do is to click on the search settings, and now you have to type power button on the power key. So as you can see, in my case, I can actually find the power button, and that's the press and the hold the power button gesture. So you have to try with the power button, power key, and locate the gesture settings. You know, this could be a little bit different. It depends on your phone mark. So open it, and from here we'll go to the press and the hold power button and simply remove the digital assistant to power menu. And now when you click and hold it, you will actually turn on the power off menu instead of the Google Assistant. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.